You walk into a job, it's your first day. What's the first thing you do? Well, is to make sure there's no damage to the... Okay, so you walk into a job, it's your first day, and in this case it's the tub area, and you gotta install the bagger board, and then you have to install the tile. So what's the first thing you do? Well, the first thing you do is to make sure there's no damage to the tub. And then once you verified that, then you can go ahead and cover it, protect it, and then start installing your board. So when I got here, there was a bunch of stuff in the tub. So took all that out, and this is what I found in there. Really not too much in here, a little bit of dust, a little bit of sheetrock stuff. But I looked it over. I haven't looked it over completely yet, but I did look it over a little bit, and I found this one little mark here. So what do? You just leave it alone? Don't tell anyone? No. You inform the homeowner, the GC, whoever's in charge, who's ever responsible, and show them that the tub is damaged. It's only slight. This can actually probably be polished out without a problem, but you want to make sure that they don't hold you responsible for the damage to the tub. So now I'm going to clean it out. I'm going to inspect it fully, and then I'm going to protect the tub so that I don't damage it, because if I damage it, then I'm responsible for it. Okay, so I just started cleaning the tub. I showed you this dot over here, and then as I was cleaning it, I found these marks here. These are like indentations. They won't come off. And then there's this little crack or a scratch right there. So this is why I inspect the tub. Okay, so I cleaned out all the tub. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure you get anything that could scratch the tub out of it. It's pretty clean. And I showed you the defect here and the defect here. Let's cover this tub. So I know my board is going to come out to 1/2 inch to here, and then my tile is going to overlap that, and it's going to come out 3/8 to here. So when I put my tape on, I want the tape to be far enough away from where the tile is going to go so that the tile does not sit in the tub and I don't have to struggle getting the tape out. Got the tape all the way around, and I am far enough away so when I get my board on and then I get my tile on, I am going to be I'm not going to be sitting on the tape, so I won't have any trouble getting it out. Okay, so I got the whole tub protected so that it won't get damaged as I install the tile.